Have you ever wondered what the top 3 non-genetic causes of Alzheimer's disease are? Alzheimer's disease, a form of dementia, is often perceived as an inevitable part of aging. However, it's a condition that affects millions across the globe, impacting not only the individuals diagnosed, but also their loved ones. While genetics do have a role in its development, it's not the only player in this complex game. In reality, there's a myriad of factors that come into play, with some being within our control. Yes, you heard it right. There are non-genetic factors that contribute to the development of this disease. These factors range from lifestyle choices to our environment, and understanding them can provide us with a roadmap to potentially reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's. So, are you ready to delve into the top 3 non-genetic causes of Alzheimer's disease? Let's unravel this puzzle together in the upcoming segments. The first non-genetic cause we will discuss is an unhealthy lifestyle. Let's break it down. 1. Processed foods and unhealthy diet. A daily routine filled with processed foods, a diet in fats and sugars, can contribute significantly to the development of Alzheimer's disease. 2. Sedentary lifestyle. A lack of physical activity can lead to conditions like obesity and high blood pressure. 3. Obesity and high pressure. These conditions can, in turn, lead to heart disease and diabetes, both of which are risk factors for Alzheimer's. 4. Smoking. It damages your lungs, yes, but it also puts a strain on your heart and blood vessels. This strain can lead to vascular problems, which are also associated with an increased risk of Alzheimer's disease. This clearly illustrates the importance of maintaining a healthy lifestyle to reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Small changes can have a big impact. So why not commence these changes today? The second non-genetic cause we will delve into is chronic stress. Visualize this. You're trapped in a ceaseless cycle of tension. With no light at the end of this unending strain, this chronic stress can cause severe damage to your brain, possibly leading to the onset of Alzheimer's disease. 1. Stress, resembling a tempest raging in your brain, ignites inflammatory responses. If left uncontrolled, these responses can inflict harm. Over time, this inflammation can cause proteins to aggregate, forming plaques that hinder communication between brain cells, a key characteristic of Alzheimer's disease. 2. Furthermore, stress can hinder the operation of the blood-brain barrier, a defensive shield that prevents harmful substances from infiltrating the brain. When this barrier is compromised, it can result in additional inflammation and damage. So how can we weather this storm? The answer is straightforward: by discovering healthy methods to handle stress. This could be via meditation, physical activity, or even a hearty laugh with friends. As you can see, stress management is not only beneficial for your overall wellness, but also for the health of your brain. Factor number 1 regarding the non-genetic cause we will explore is the lack of mental stimulation. There's a popular saying that goes, use it or lose it. And when it comes to maintaining brain health, this adage rings particularly true. Factor number 2 is that much like muscles in our body, our brain requires regular exercise to keep it fit and functioning at peak capacity. Factor number 3 is that without consistent cognitive activity, our brain's ability to process and recall information can begin to deteriorate over time. This is because the neural pathways that facilitate these processes may weaken or even disappear entirely from disuse. Studies have indicated factor number 4, which is that individuals who engage their minds regularly through activities such as reading, puzzles, or learning new skills are less likely to develop Alzheimer's disease. Factor number 5 is that these tasks stimulate the brain, strengthening existing neural connections and fostering the creation of new ones, which in turn improves overall brain health and resilience. So, factor number 6 is keeping your brain active and engaged as a key strategy in preventing Alzheimer's disease. Let's summarize our discussion by numbering the top 3 non-genetic causes of Alzheimer's disease. First, an unhealthy lifestyle characterized by poor nutrition and lack of physical activity contributes significantly to the development of Alzheimer's. Second, chronic stress can also have a detrimental effect on your brain health, leading to cognitive decline over time. Third, and finally, a lack of mental stimulation can leave the brain unchallenged and lead to its gradual deterioration. The importance of prevention cannot be overstated. By maintaining a healthy lifestyle, managing stress effectively, and keeping our minds active through continuous learning and mental exercises, we can help stave off these non-genetic risk factors. It's about taking charge of our health, making informed decisions, and committing to lifelong habits that promote brain health. Remember, while you cannot change your genetic predisposition, you can take steps to mitigate these non-genetic risk factors and maintain your brain health.